How to create travel expense tracker on Microsoft Excel app. So hello guys, all what you have to do is go to Excel. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on this new option. Now after you click on new, scroll down until you find, and here is it, until you find travel expense tracker right here. Click on it, and here you can edit all the informations easily by clicking on it. Easy and fast. And after you finish editing this template, go to the top corner here and click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.